subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mandeep Kaur Tangra show. आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मैडम नीता मेहरा. शी इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंस्पिरेशनल वुमेन इन आवर एरिया. अमृतसर की बात करें, वॉइस ऑफ अमृतसर की बात करें, रोटरी क्लब की बात करें या बिजनेस वुमेन की बात करें, तो मैम का नाम हमेशा सबसे आगे आता है. सो रिसेंटली वी हैड एन इवेंट ऑफ अमृतसर फाउंडर्स जहाँ पे हमने एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कैफे इवेंट किया था. सो मैम वाज गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर देयर. वहाँ पे मैं मैम को मिली एंड अदरवाइज ऑल्सो आई केम टू नो फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ पीपल अबाउट हर. सो मेरा आज मन किया कि मैं अपने शो में मैम को बुलाऊं ताकि हम सारे ही उनकी जर्नी से इंस्पायर हो सकें. सो मैम, वेलकम टू द शो.
Thank you, dear. Thank you for your kind words.
She is a fashion designer from over 25 years. She is in this industry and she has a company with the name Future Fashions and Century Rayon. And she is also the current president of Voice of Amritsar and she has been a member of Rotary Club from last 25 years. So मैम, पहला क्वेश्चन तो यही है कि इतना सारा कुछ कैसे कर लेते हो? You know?
See, I think जो हालात होते हैं ना, they make you do it. You know, it was never like that initially. I never thought that I'll come to this extent that मैं सब कुछ कर सकूं. How you are placed in a situation that it makes you do it, and once you start doing it, I think you get used to it.
Right.
So I try my best to give the most of myself to each job that I do, and perfection is what I strive for in each.
Oh, great. So मैम की जर्नी बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल है. नॉर्मली आई डोंट स्टार्ट विद दिस क्वेश्चन कि बचपन कैसा रहा, क्योंकि कोई कोई बंदे होते हैं जिनकी मैं जर्नी ऐसे शुरू करती हूँ और मैम भी उन्हीं में से एक है कि लाइक हाउ वाज योर चाइल्डहुड, यू नो, बिफोर मैरिज. कैसा माहौल आपको अमृतसर में मिला, इस रीजन में मिला. शी इज़ वेरी सक्सेसफुल. सो इनकी पूरी जर्नी आज जानेंगे कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप, यू नो, हाउ शी थ्राइव्ड. एंड अपना बचपन याद करो तो क्या याद आता है?
यू नो, मेरे को याद, व्हेन आई थिंक ऑफ इट, कि बचपन में कैसे थे. वी वर 2 brothers and a sister and coming from a upper middle class family. My dad was in the medicine business and my mom was a homemaker. And I think the thing which you say ना, that बचपन का चीज़ बहुत इफेक्ट करती है तुमको. माई पेरेंट्स स्ट्रेस्ड अ लॉट ऑन एजुकेशन. उनके हालात अच्छे भी हुए, बुरे भी हुए, बट they never compromised on our education. I got the best of education, the best of school, the best of college, and but they had this in them ki both my brothers are doctors. So you know, I was the odd one out. I never wanted to become a doctor, so maybe I was inclined differently. So, and right from beginning, you know, I was, whenever I used to wear my clothes, my tops, my frocks, I would go and tell the tailor myself, ये ऐसे करना, you ऐसे करना. So maybe that thing was already in me, and you know, the fashion thing resonated in me, and I could, you know, somehow.
वही मेरा next question था कि how you know fashion came to your soul.
See,
कि मैं इस industry में जाना.
actually, I am a trained teacher with maths and English as my teaching subjects. I am an honors in English. So when I got married, I was barely 20, and I had taught in Sacred Heart for 3 months already in Amritsar, my old school. So when I went to Mumbai, my husband was placed in Mumbai. So when I went to Mumbai, he was in the fashion line. We were exporting garments.
Okay, great.
So you know, I always wanted that I should be a help to him. So I did my designing in Mumbai and worked under a designer for 2 years. Then you know, the backlog of the factory things would come to my boutique. My husband opened a beautiful boutique for me. I had film stars coming to me, and you know, it was a different world altogether after being in Amritsar and you know, protected life. Ethe nahi jana, uthe nahi jana, you know, that sort of thing. Suddenly I was exposed to a place where I could be myself.
Yes.
I started my own boutique and it was quite successful. I had the best of clientele there as well.
सो बहुत अर्ली एज में कई बार लाइफ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस यू फेस जिनका हमने सोचा भी नहीं होता, राइट? आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दोज चैलेंजेस यू परमानेंटली थॉट टू बी इन अमृतसर. So what were those challenges and how you came out of them and thought कि नहीं मैंने अपने पैरों पे खड़े होना है और मैंने खुद ही आगे बढ़ना है. It is a very important question because
Yes.
at such a young age when you face some major setbacks and again you stand on your own, how you made it.
See, basically, women of Amritsar, in my times, I talk 30 years from now, we were not very evolved, right? So I feel that my husband being in Bombay, that gave me some sort of resilience that I can face the world, So when my husband's dad died, he was the only son. He was to take over the business in Amritsar. So that is how we shifted bag and baggage from Mumbai.
Okay.
So that
it was which year around?
This was in 1991, 92. It was a tough decision to make because right from Mumbai, I'm living alone and suddenly I'm, in Amritsar with my mother-in-law with me. It was tough initially and the life was so different. There I was independent, here again. But that grit I had that I have to make it here also. The environment is not going to make any difference to me. I have to make it. So my husband used to go to the office where I go also now.
Okay. So how many years you were together running your business after coming from Mumbai?
So 2000 tak I was doing that business and then in 2001 I lost my husband. So after that, because I was business-wise inclined, so those Birlas were kind enough
Right.
to put their trust in me that I could manage the depot myself.
Yes. So ma'am is in fashion business. She is having her own boutique also, and along with that she is also running a separate business that is a yarn business.
Yes.
मुझे लगता है ये yarn business में women है, मतलब थोड़ा mismatch सा लगता है, अटपटा है.
See, I am lucky that I have a taste of both the sides, In the boutique, it's totally women.
Yeah.
And in my yarn business, it's totally men.
Totally men.
So very few women in the yarn business. So that is why it was a big challenge for me that I was sitting in my husband's office. That office incidentally belonged to my grandfather, then my father-in-law, then my husband, and I was the fourth or fifth generation in that same office, in that same chair. And believe me that if you come to my office, you will see that I have still not touched the table which my grandfather used to sit on. So I have retained that. बाहर से उसको ठीक कर लिया, पर I feel some of his blessings are there, which are driving me,
Yes.
So that is how I came into the yarn business. These people, they trusted me enough. They told me, we'll give you 1 year if you can prove yourself. We don't mind. Because the children were way too small. My sons were very small. They were still studying. And the thing was, the easy way out, I think, always is for a woman who has lost her husband, कि तुसी बैठ के रो लो. वो बहुत आसान है. But उस वेले the finance is very important for the children.
Yeah.
So I thought if I can handle both the things, it'll be a great benefit for my children. Because I think for a mother, nothing is more important than her children.
You are part of a lot of organizations. So at that time, without your husband or with your husband, so when you joined Rotary, वो भी एक family की तरह ही है ना पूरा club, right? So you both joined it?
No.
Okay.
Actually, my friend Mrs. Poonam Sidhu, she was the president then
Okay.
of the Rotary. She's a chief commissioner income tax now. So she was the president and she told me कि नीता जिम्मी को नहीं बनाते हैं, तेरे को बनाते हैं member. So ours is the first club, in fact, Rotary Club Civil Lines, which has women as Rotarians.
Great.
So we are Rotarians in our own right. We are not inner wheel. Like our club does not have an inner wheel. Because inner wheel is for people whose husbands are the Rotarians and the wives run the inner wheel.
Okay.
So mine was the first club, which had women as Rotarians. So that gave you a sense of achievement कि हाँ, you are a Rotarian in your own right. So this I joined the club and that is why I joined. And I was always inclined that way, that I wanted to do good for others. I wanted to help the needy right from the start. My heart goes out ki how can I help? And that is the motivating factor which made me join Rotary.
So how was your experience as a president when you were president? Leadership role में आ गए, अपने घर तो हम लीडर ही होते हैं, but बाहर जाके we are in a leadership role. So how was your
it was a wonderful experience with all the members helping you out, and I did quite a lot of good for the city. Like we had in Sultanwind area, we have about 365 washrooms during my tenure. In different schools, we had hygiene classes and those wash stations put in about 20 schools in Amritsar. So like small things which added up to a lot.
Voice of Amritsar का सबने नाम सुना होगा. It is one of the most popular page. हर किसी को लगता है कि मैं वहाँ पे कुछ पढ़ लूँ या वहाँ पे कुछ डाल दूँ कि जो accept हो जाए. From where this idea came up? Voice of Amritsar is doing pretty well. Everybody wants to associate with them.
Thank you God. In 2012 when we had the Anna Hazare movement, उनके idea से we were very much impressed. So we formed a page on Facebook which had about 15 members. So that page has 1.25 lakhs now.
Yeah.
So like-minded people who thought that Amritsar deserved much more than it was getting. So as the name suggests, we are the mouthpieces of Amritsar. The people who feel that they have been wronged or anything by the administration, by anyone, we act as a bridge between them and the administration.
Right.
We try and solve their problems.
Yes.
We try and take their problems to the administration. उससे क्या होता है कि we are with the people also and plus enjoying the administration's help also. So वो दोनों को जब हम connect करते हैं तो लोगों की problem solve हो जाती है and our work is done. So many people come and ask me तो अनुवेदित मिलता की है. See, that is something very difficult to explain. You have to be inclined that way. And I'm so lucky my full team is like that.
Yes.
My full team, they want to do good for the city, Anything which involves the betterment of Amritsar, we are there for it.
Yes. More than 1 lakh people of the same locality, same city, they all are attached, they all are together. तो इकट्ठे आवाज उठाएंगे तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जो होंगी. बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने देखी भी है उनके पेज पे. कोई अननेसेसरीली ट्रीज काट रहे हैं या कोई कहीं फंस गया है, कोई एनिमल को कोई प्रॉब्लम है या कोई नॉर्मली ट्रैफिक की कोई इशू है. सो दे रेज लॉट ऑफ issues and people come forward and try to solve it. So anything which is really very close to your heart की Voice of Amritsar में यहाँ पे help हो गई थी.
In the COVID times, many people were in big problems. Apart from, of course, giving them food when we were in that time, we spent about 14 lakhs, of course, not from our pockets. And we are a self-financed organization, getting our resources only from the page. If we have a project in hand, like अभी recently क्या हुआ कि कोई बच्चा बहुत बीमार था ये केडी हॉस्पिटल में, and हमें वो कोई मेडिसिन फर्म की कोई सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर सिक्योरिटी का बंदा था, उसका बच्चा था, and he was very sick. The lady approached us and said कि साड़ी मदद करो and all that. So we found out that उनका bill about 1,60,000 का बन चुका था, and it was still increasing because every day they multiply. So that is our role. I'm just trying to explain the role. My members, they went to the hospital and they asked them that what can you do, right? So whatever you can waive off, please do that. So they waived off a major amount of money. The rest of the money, which was more than 1 lakh, so we put it on the page. That is the way we work. We put it on the page कि इतना पैसा चाहिए बच्चे को ठीक करने के लिए.
Authentication हो जाती है ना, trust बन जाता है.
Exactly. कि this much money is needed, this much has been waived off. So if anybody wants to help you will not believe 15 minutes it took for collecting 1 lakh.
Yes, great.
Just 15 minutes.
Authenticity तो चाहिए कि ये जो कह रहे हैं वो
सही है. तभी हम ये कोशिश करते हैं. अभी मेरे पास my organization has paid the fees for almost more than 35 to 40 children for that COVID period.
Right.
You know, उसके लिए भी मैं authentication बहुत ज़रूरी समझती हूँ. My members go to the homes, they check whether they are really that bad or otherwise they are having a nice time, but जब fees देने दी वेले आया तो नहीं दे सक रहे. इस तरह नहीं होना चाहिए. You know, people can take advantage of us, but I make it a point to get that done. And then abhi bhi just yesterday I had gone to one school and paid the fees for one of the children. Yesterday only we were there.
You were talking very nicely for your boys. वो भी सुनेंगे इंटरव्यू तो मम्मा बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ करती हैं आपकी. I am really touched the way you said कि they had options to be out of India also.
Yes.
They had options to be abroad, but they chose to be in their own land and with their mother. आप मिलते रहे, you know, they are progressing here also. So आपका मन नहीं किया कि फ्यूचर में हर चीज की जरूरत पड़नी है, यू नो, यू नीड टू मूव टुवर्ड्स इवन मोर लग्जरी इन योर लाइफ, राइट? सो यू लेट देम गो, और इवन यू नो सब कई तो पेरेंट्स से काउंसिल करते हैं अपने बच्चे को कि तुम कनाडा चले जाओ. सो यू नो आई एक्चुअली वांट टू टॉक ऑन ब्रेन ड्रेन ओवर हियर. सो व्हाट आर योर व्यूज?
सी इनिशियली सबसे पहले तो अमृतसर का वो सही करना चाहिए जिसके बीच में मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुई हूँ. मे बी यू आर वन ऑफ द रोल मॉडल्स who's having this beautiful thing in Amritsar. कि Amritsar is losing its youth. The youth of Amritsar is all interested in going abroad. You know, that is such a sad thing. Young people, especially the ones who are intelligent, who have done well in their studies, they are all moving out. इसको कैसे ठीक करना, ये we both must sit and find out.
Yes.
But whereas India is concerned, बच्चों को शुरू से मैंने कभी नहीं कहा कि you don't go. It is their own option.
ये अंदर से ही आता है.
अंदर से आता है. Probably they feel very strongly for their mother. They don't want to be that far that they cannot reach her when I have a problem or something. My children are my strength. Definitely I will say that. And both have really lived up to my expectations.
सो यू नो वुमेन नेगेटिव साइड पे बड़ी जल्दी हो जाती है कि मैं बड़ी यू नो बेचारी हूँ, या मैं सैड हूँ, या मुझे कोई चुप कराए आके, राइट? तो इतने टफ टाइम में जब हम होते हैं, माइंड जब पूरा क्लटर्ड होता है, तो माय क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू यू cheer yourself up कि मैं you know इस मूड से बाहर निकल के और I should you know wear my coat and do my work.
See, generally जब the best way to de-stress yourself is go shopping. So you shop for yourself, है ना? That also I learned just 3-4 years back. नहीं तो काम के अलावा कुछ सोचता ही नहीं था. You tend to think of all the things. ये ज़रूरी है, ये ज़रूरी है. The last person you think of is yourself. That I think every woman does that, है ना? But जब problems का time होता है, as I was talking to you earlier also, it is the woman who stands up to the time.
Right.
You know, men generally crumble. उनसे प्रॉब्लम वाला टाइम संभालना मुश्किल हो जाता है. दे आर जस्ट गुड फॉर देयर वर्क एंड देन कम होम. आप सोचो ना, एवरी वुमन इज मल्टीटास्किंग. She is doing the work at home. She wants her house to be in order. She wants to have the work in order, everything in order, and then you're happy. You know, I think that satisfaction is of doing your work well, of doing your duty well. That drives you to that ultimate thing. You know,
कोई काम आप चूज करें, उसमें you know you feel better, and you know
हाँ.
that can bring you out from all emotional or negative things in your life. You should have some vision in your life, except you know everything.
You know, initially when the children are small, तुम्हारे vision में I think what is basically included is that your children should do well. है ना? हर lady के दिमाग में ये होता है who has children कि भाई my children should do well. अपने से भी ज़्यादा तुम चाहते हो तुम्हारे बच्चे अच्छे काम करें. And I'm proud to say my children earn more than me are. You feel कि तुमने कहीं ना कहीं पहुँच गए तुम. You know, that gives you a satisfaction. तो वो satisfaction अगर होए तो believe me, you generally don't go into that dip. You know, that satisfaction means a lot. Or otherwise also I have my hobbies. I sing a lot, as I told you.
तो वही मेरा next question है. Other than this, you know, fashion, yarn, Voice of Amritsar, Rotary और सब कुछ एक साइड पे करने के बाद, you know, क्या बचता है? You know, what are the hobbies? What kind of person you are?
मेरे जो workers हैं, they have really lived up to my expectations. जो मेरे boutique में भी हैं, even in the office, they are since number of years since, like I tell them, they have grown old with me, you know. 25 साल पुराने workers हैं, जिसने पहले दिन ज्वाइन किया उसने अभी तक छोड़ा नहीं है. So you know that way. So उसके बाद जैसे I told you I sing a lot. तो सिंगिंग का टाइम इवनिंग में मिलता है, वो भी रिसेंटली मिलने लगा जब से कोविड आया. अदरवाइज आई वाज ऑलवेज सिंगिंग. जब कोविड आया तो यू वर स्टक एट होम, देयर वाज नथिंग टू डू, नो वर्क, नो नथिंग. तो तब डिप आता था, बिकॉज आई वाज अलोन, माय चिल्ड्रन. हाँ, रूटीन ब्रेक हो गया. सो तब आई स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग.
You know, lots of women are watching you. Lot of people must be watching you, especially from Amritsar. And मुझे लगता है काफ़ी audience आज खुश होगी कि मैम का special interview जो हमने लिया है, because अमृतसर you know loves people like you. जब last event भी हुआ था अमृतसर founders में, तो बहुत closely मैं आपको नहीं जानती थी, but when I listened to you, I got so much motivated कि मुझे लगा कि मैंने आपको बुलाना है.
How sweet is
So
that?
what is your message to the audience listening to you? What is one life skill you want to share with them?
See, whenever, what life skill I would like to share is that whenever you have a problem, don't crumble. Look at it in the eye. You can solve it.
Right.
If you have that thing in you that you can solve the problem, you will come out of it.
Right.
That grit to solve and that grit to face should be there.
So a woman should forgive or she should fight. Lot of women, you know, they waste lot of time. Lot of situations come in their life where they have to prove themselves कि नहीं मैं यहाँ ठीक हूँ, मैं यहाँ ठीक हूँ, मेरी तरफ ध्यान दो, right? So what should a woman do?
I think the person who forgives is definitely more strong than the one who fights. I in my life I have accepted that. Ki forgive, forget, move on, but never forget the lesson it taught you.
Yes.
You should never forget that. वो कभी नहीं भूलना कि मेरे को क्या शिक्षा मिली इस चीज से, ऐसी बात करके. किसी ने अच्छी करी, बुरी करी, जो भी करी, don't forget the lesson it taught you. उसको कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए. Otherwise, you know, you are not harming anyone. Believe me, you are harming yourself.
Yes. Yes. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being on the show.
Oh, thank you. It was a pleasure for me, Mandeep, to talk to you. And I would always admire you from far. And I was lucky enough to be on your show. Thank you so much.
आज हमने बात की मैम नीता मेहरा से, और शी इज़ अ इंस्पिरेशनल पर्सन, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन. लाइफ के अलग अलग फेजेस से निकलते हुए, यू नो, शी इज़ हेयर टू गाइड अस. वी कैन आस्क एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन टू हर. शी कैन काउंसिल अस सो वेल. एंड वॉइस ऑफ अमृतसर की पूरी कमांड संभाल रही हैं करंटली, जो हम सारे फेसबुक पे देखते रहते हैं. सो इट वॉज रियली वंडरफुल टॉकिंग टू हर. आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस फ्रॉम हर टुडे. आई होप कि आपको भी यू नो पूरी पॉजिटिविटी आज मिली होगी इस शो के बाद. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग मनदीप कौर टांगरा शो.